Our company was established in 2010 year. The factory currently has a production workshop area of over 12,000 square meters. There are 200 employees, and the sales in 2019 year exceeded RMB 200 million. Specializing in the production and development of refrigeration and heating temperature control systems. Ultra, low temperature freezer, new energy vehicle parts test temperature control system. The product temperature control range involves -152 degrees Celsius to 350 degrees Celsius. Ultra, high temperature of 300 degrees Celsius directly turns on the compressor cooling technology. A number of key core technologies such as target temperature large lag temperature control technology. The production process is strictly implemented in accordance with the technical specifications and process instructions. The equipment circulation pipeline adopts by bar pressure for 24 hours of pressure maintenance. Make sure the system is sealed. All parts such as screws and nuts are marked after they are locked to prevent omission. All welds are ground smooth, including the inner piping of the insulation. Strict load test. Each device is not less than 24 hours copy machine. Ensure technical specifications are met.